Hello, everyone. Do you know what crypto arbitrage is? People earn millions in this way. And now I'll show you how to make money on it. With this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn the basics of crypto arbitrage and will be able to start earning yourself. A little theory. Crypto arbitrage is a profit on the difference in the price of cryptocurrencies on different platforms. For example, Bitcoin costs $40,000 on one site and $45,000 on another. By buying Bitcoin for $40,000 on the first site and selling it for $45,000 on the second, you get a net profit of $5,000. But in this lesson, you won't have to look for two sites with different prices. You will only need one platform. So, this site is called mebtx.com. The prices on it are very tasty, and I regret that I did not find this site earlier. Now I'm sharing it with you, and for that, like this video and subscribe to the channel. First, let's look at the price of Bitcoin on this platform. The price of cryptocurrency here is $77,000. Now let's take a look at the price of Binance. The price here is $70,000. This is a very big difference and it makes us feel better. Well, the first thing we do is go to the deposit tab. We are making a deposit. I will deposit $1,000. But you can deposit as much as you want. I deposited $1,000 in Bitcoins, but as you can see, I have $1,125 on my balance. Now we need to convert Bitcoins to USDT. Let's go to Exchange tab. Here we exchange our Bitcoins to USDT. Now go to the Withdraw tab. We enter the data and output it. Congratulations. Now you know a way to make money on crypto arbitrage. This is the basis, but I think if you want to, you will learn all the subtleties of this work in the process. I will leave a link to this site in the comments. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you soon.